In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Binance API keys and connect them with Jonny Blockchain. When you're inside your Jonny Blockchain account, you want to come up to the menu at the top here and you want to click on the My Wallet tab. That will bring you to this screen. Now, before we get started with the API keys, you're going to need a balance inside here. And that balance needs to be around $35 so that you can use $25 to access the Binance API keys. And also you need $10 in there to cover your software service fee. And this section here, if you're just using the Binance robots, that's the centralized robots, you don't need to put any BNB in here. Scrolling down the screen, what you want to make sure is that you've got a balance of BNB inside your Binance account and you toggle this over. This will top up your BNB balance if it drops below a certain amount. If it gets lower than that, it's going to purchase some more BNB, and then here it's going to say how much BNB it's going to buy, and it's going to use USTD inside your Binance account. So obviously you need to make sure that you've got USDT inside your Binance account. The next thing we're coming to is these two sections here. This is the decentralized trading access, which you don't need that if you're not going to be using the PancakeSwap bots, but this is the one that you want to make sure that you activate. And you can see this one's activated till the 7th of March 2025. If you look here, it says Edit API Keys. So I click on that and you've got this toggle. And if you see this, it says Binance US. If I toggle it back, this will go to Binance UK if I click Save. But I've already set this up for the US. And what you'll also notice that there's an IP address here, okay? A whitelisted IP address. You're going to need to make a note of that. So this IP address may change from time to time. So you just need to make a note of that because we're going to need that address when we're setting up our API keys. You'll have these two boxes where you need to put the Binance API keys and you'll need to put the Binance API secret key. So let's head over to Binance. And then from Binance, when you're inside your account, on the left-hand side, you'll see it says Accounts. Click on there. And from the drop-down menu, you want to go to API Management. That will bring you to this screen. Then at the top of the screen, you'll see this Create API. You'll get this pop up and we're going to choose this one, System Generated, and then click Next. We're going to get this pop up to say, give it a label. This is just for your reference. I'm going to click Next. It may ask you to go through some security codes, and then that's going to create your API. And what you're going to get is this API key, and you'll get this secret key. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy the API key. Bring that over to Jonny Blockchain, paste that into there, and we're going to get the secret key. This secret key, you will only see this one time. So when you close this screen, you'll never see it again. So make sure that you make a note of it. Now, before we save the API keys, there's some more things we need to do on Binance. We're going to come back over to Binance. And then what we need to do is to click on Edit Restrictions. And then what we're going to do is put a tick in this box to enable spot and margin trading. We don't need this one. We don't need this one, which is to transfer. We don't need to do withdrawals, and we don't need to this one on the end. So what we only need a tick in this one here, which is enable spot and margin trading. By default, this enable reading is already done. And then we come down the bottom and we're gonna click on this radial box here, and we're gonna put a trusted IP address in. Now you'll find that IP address inside your Jonny Blockchain account, and it's right here. You see it says here is the IP address. So you would copy these numbers depending on what Binance account you've got, whether it's US or .com, and you'll see that that number changes. So just you copy that, and we're going to pop that into your API key set up on Binance. And all we need to do is to click on Confirm, and then we're going to come up to the top and we're going to click Save. It's going to ask you for your verification again, whichever you've got set up on your Binance account. That's it, you're done on Binance, and we'll come back over to Jonny Blockchain and click on Save. And if those are saved correctly, you should get a pop-up to say that your API keys have been connected successfully. Now, once you've got your API keys set up and you've got your BNB funded inside your Binance account and you've got some USTD or some USDC, the next thing we want to do, make sure that Binance uses the BNB that you've got inside your Binance account for the trading fees. So what we need to do is from the dashboard, scroll all the way down the bottom, and then we're looking for this bit where it says fees in the footer here. So we click on that, and then we scroll down to this section here, and you'll see that it says for spot trading, if you're going to use BNB that you've got inside your Binance account, you get a 25% discount on your trading fees. So you want to make sure that this is toggled to on. Okay, so it'll change color there. It will move the white dot over to the right. And that's how easy it is to set your Binance account up so it works with Jonny Blockchain's robots. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.